Well, on my way to go to the car boot, and look what we spot. A lovely old London Transport bus at the train station car park. Lovely. Alright. Oh, alright. Cheers. What year is that then?
1948.
1948?
25 years this weekend since it was first registered.
Blimey. Looks like it's just come out of the bloody factory.
Well, it's been overhauled.
Ooh, very nice. Yeah.
It's had a birthday overhaul.
You going down to the carnival today then?
No, we're going to a private do it, Woburn Sands.
Ah, right. Okay. Oh, right, better get out of the way. Alright, cheers guys. Nice. Hello everyone, it's Saturday and we are here at the Bletchley Carnival. I don't know whether we've missed the floats or not, but the looks of some of the crowds we might not have. But anyway, we're going to go for a walk around. Just a little note for everyone who was thinking about going up to Morrison's car boot. We went up there today, it's not there. It turns out it's once a month. Once a month. So take last week's date, put a month on it, that's when the next one is. So, alright, let's get on with the carnival. Very often, because half the time after the best bit of it was over, you got out of the way and all the bloody Asians would come out and start stabbing up everyone.
The loot carnival's gone now, so...
Yeah. Yeah, we're going to head up to the main gate. Hopefully we see the carnival parade coming in through the gates.
See what there is on.
And that, and see what stalls are about, see what games things are about. Smell the barbecues.
Barbecue.
Yeah.
Yeah, I see what you mean by smells.
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll take a look on this one and see what there is.
Yeah. Oh. Ooh, tombola. I think it's another fancy name for something or other, I don't know. It's one of the words that never got me to... Oh, you got Gulliver's Land raffle tickets.
Thank you.
We've got lots of Peppa Pigs.
Yeah, Jasmine would like that.
Got a few. Oh, I think it's like a prize draw thing, isn't it? You buy tickets and if you draw your ticket, you win. So, okay. I ain't going to buy no tickets on that one. The pool night stop. Last night person. Oh, this is like for the homeless and that, isn't it?
Yeah.
Alright, okay, cool. Next stall. Some playing with Parks Trust. What I read on the leaflet. Euroflight Typhoon. Cats Protection. Oh, hang on, there's one. Lovely weather for a carnival.
Yeah.
Lovely fucking weather. Yeah. The Queen's Platinum Jubilee. It's a bit out of date, but okay.
Yeah.
Alright. That's food. Funky smelling food and all from those. Age UK. The Oasis. Oh, alright, Paul. How you doing there, bud?
Yeah, I'm good.
Oh.
The best bit of the carnival is the large bit right at the back. It looks like fucking something from...
I was going to say, ain't that the floats coming up through... Because they're coming in through Lane Gates, aren't they?
Yeah.
That's what we need. We're just doing a walk around, get up the gates so we can watch the floats coming.
Yeah.
Because we're a little bit running late, because I was hoping to get down here to see them going down the road, but...
Yeah.
Lovely fucking weather, isn't it?
Sure,
I had a thunderstorm before I came out.
Yeah.
We're supposed to be having another one later.
No, but,
So...
just doing a lap and then a clearing off or something like that.
Well, I did promise everyone I'd try and make a big deal out of this one a little bit, so... Yeah, you know that car boot bloody Morrison's?
Yeah.
Once a month.
Oh, right, bloody hell.
Once a month. There was me, we've just been up there and like, where the fuck is everybody? It's like, no, once a month. I'm like, you bugger. Guess who I asked? You know the security guy, let it go at me?
Yeah.
I had to ask him, did he? He was all nice and spicy, smile at me. All right, mate, yeah, you know you fucked up, didn't you? All right, anyway, I'll let you get on with it, bud. All right, catch you later. This is Milton Keynes Hospital Radio. Is there there's a parrot in here? Natural dog treats and gifts. Gonna like that one. Girls' guides.
Yeah, 3 tickets for £1 and a bit prize.
Fresh rhubarb. God, you don't see that every day. Fresh rhubarb. Oh, some nice bikes here. Collection of Honda Gold Wings. Oh, that's lush. You could live that here. Oh, there's your camper, there's your bike, hit the open road. Fucking.
That would be you, wouldn't it?
Oh, yeah. But look at the size of a Honda Gold Wing compared to me. I wouldn't be able to hold the blasted thing up. As soon as I sat on it, I'd be falling over.
Oh, look at that yellow one over there.
Whoa! That is mental. That is sick. Tudor Rose. Nice. It's a cross between Goldwing and one of them new 3-wheel ones that have just come out recently.
Yeah.
That's funky. Why do you have to wear a helmet with that because you've got 3 wheels? Yep. Oh, medical tent. So, right, let's try and find ourselves a good filming spot and we can do this lot a little bit later on. Right.
Krishna Krishna Hare Hare Hare
We'd have to start really feeling it out now, wouldn't it? Nice boy. Yeah, come on everyone, walk a bit fast and you get wet. Here comes our first float, I think. Oh, put my bloody hat on, my head's getting wet. Oh yeah, the case kind of protects it a little bit. Oh, that's better. I don't feel it on my head so much.
We are Rampage International Brass Band. Bletchley, if you're having a good time, make some noise.
Oh, that bass is going right through me.
Rampage International Brass Band.
Oh, that bass line is seriously going through me right now. I hate that. Hey, they're doing a rain dance.
Bletchley, welcome to Rampage. If you're having a good time, Bletchley, make some noise.
That is not really big. I thought it'd be a damn sight more floats than this. Oh, okay. Carry on with the filming. Yeah, so what else you could get into? Kickboxing. Anyone gives you grief, I say, oh, do a Charlie Reach on them. Westfield Centre. No, this is what's going down on a very wet, miserable Bletchley Carnival. I mean, if they'd have done this yesterday, it would have been lovely. Absolutely lovely. Gates been sunshine and everything, but they knew the carnival was coming. It's like, nah, we can't have them having sunshine, and we've got to have it pissing down with rain. Fine arts creations. Oh, little canvases.
Oh, yeah. I see how they're looking at their faces.
And the wine crystals and all that lot. Alright. We've got BPRA, Bletchley Park Area Residents Association. Oh, right. New Mickey Mouse organisation, makeup, face painting, and everyone under the tree seeking shelter. Oh, we've got the bumper cars as well, the Dodgems. Oh, sorry. Sorry. Hello. Oh, light. Here, look at this. Gwen's new set of wheels. Hey. I know, lovely fucking weather for it, isn't it?
Yeah, man.
Right. Yeah. I didn't expect to see you down here.
I said to you, was you coming? Because
Yeah.
I'll probably see you down there because I'll come with little Marley.
All right.
You right, Darren?
Yeah.
That is
Yeah.
just making sure. Well, you know what my brain's like at the minute. It's like
Well,
mush.
Yeah, true. All right. Take the bike. Right. Oh, so donuts. Hey, notice the coppers ain't far away from the donuts. Oops. So, round the crowds for it, round it. Oops. Have a quick walk around the fair. You're alright, you seem a bit bored. No. Okay, cool. Because when I'm down at places like this, I usually end up going for a ride on the Dodge and holding the camera. Yeah. But I'll skip it today. These ones are always up here at Campbell Park, Route 66. fairground rides, which is the only one you'll get me to go on. I'll never go on stuff like that.
I've been on that, it's alright.
I went on that once, and one of the things came loose slightly. I nearly slid underneath it. I'm like, blah, blah, blah. But you know that bungee ball thing?
Yeah.
They used to have that in Milton Keynes about 15 years ago. Went on that pissed. Not recommended. Fucking scary. Oh, cute. The Crooked Cottage. Teapots. That's pretty much it. Right peeps, well that's pretty much our lovely tour of Bletchley Carnival. I hope you enjoyed it. The weather could have been better, but you can't have everything. We do live in England. Anyway, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and share, and I will see you guys on Sunday when I do a tour around the Saints Estates. See you then. AP out.